Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to buy the cheapest Robux. It's like 50% off and it's not a scam, it's fully legit. My friends showed me this website and I'm literally using it like since 2 months. And so basically you just need to go to the website that I'm gonna give you in the description, or you can see on the screen, and just look at the products and take what you think is the best for you. And when you found the product that you want to buy, you just click purchase and you go to the Discord and create a ticket. It's like really easy, and then they just give you the code and then you can redeem it on the Roblox site. So I'm gonna show you like it's legit and everything. So as you can see, I got my Robux and it's legit. I'm not gonna get banned for this or anything. So yeah, thank you for watching.
So I feel like baby king, forces black, the boss is so I just like baby B, bitch I'm cold.